Season's greetings and happy holidays. Sherry and I, along with our children, would like to say thanks to the Pacific Ocean Division for their tireless work delivering quality projects. I'm convinced that this work protects and advances our national interests and enhances peace and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific region. We'd also like to extend gratitude to our partners who help us deliver the program day in and day out. And finally, I'd like to recognize our international friends who work alongside us throughout the year. As I reflect upon our achievements, I couldn't be more proud of what we've accomplished together, and even more optimistic of what is to come. On behalf of the Pacific Ocean Division,
and from our family to yours,
Mele Kalikimaka!